Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to share a Carfax report in 2025. If you're buying, selling, or just curious about a vehicle's history, Carfax is your go-to tool, and sharing reports has gotten even easier with the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Carfax account. If you don't, it's quick and free to sign up on their website or app. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard. This is where all your reports are stored. Think of it as your personal vehicle history hub. Step 1. Find the report you want to share. Simply click on it to open the details. Carfax reports include everything from accident history to service records, so double-check that it's the right one. Step 2. Look for the share option. In 2025, Carfax has streamlined this with a user-friendly interface. You'll see a Share button right at the top. Click it, and a menu pops up with choices like email, generate a link, or even print. If you choose email, enter the recipient's address, add a quick personal message to make it more helpful, and hit send. It's that simple. For a shareable link, select that option, and Carfax will create a secure URL you can copy and paste anywhere. Perfect for social media or texts. One cool 2025 feature is the integration with popular apps like WhatsApp or messaging platforms, making sharing even faster. Pro tip: always verify the report's accuracy before sending to build trust and avoid any mix-ups. And there you have it. Sharing your Carfax report is now quicker than ever. Whether you're a car seller wanting to attract buyers or just sharing info with friends, this will save you time. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Drive safe out there.